three-dimensional projects on a CNC very often rely on a ball nose bit to create curved profiles. Make your 3D projects go smoother with Ultra-Shear's 3-flute ball nose bits. Ultra-Shear's 3-flute ball nose bits deliver 50% more cuts per inch, with reduced feed resistance and reduced chip load compared to 2-flute bits. They're ideal for 3D CNC projects. But the CNC is not the only place these bits shine. Use them with a trammel attachment, edge guide, or template guide bushing with your handheld router. The ball nose bits come in 1/2 inch, 3/8 inch, and 5/16 inch diameters in 1/2 inch shank, and 1/4 and 3/16 diameters in 1/4 inch shank. We manufacture the ball nose bits right here in Strongsville, Ohio, and sell them direct to the woodworker. No middleman markups and no ocean voyages. Just great bits at a great price. Ultra-Shear 3-flute ball nose bits. Perfect half-round grooves wherever you need them, and 3D detail on your CNC. Order yours today. Have an idea for a router bit you would like to see in the Ultra-Shear lineup? Let us know with an email to mailroom@woodpeck.com.